Jordan Stahl's line opens up for Carolina, so David Kampf's line out there for Jeremy Colliton, and this game underway.
And this first period brought to you by Toyota.
Teuvo Teravainen battling against Zadorov. Center on a shot. Good save on Foegele by Lankinen. And the rebound. Chase to the corner. Soderberg down low. On a roll in front. Hagel a quick shot. Point blank save by Reimer. Rebound to Dzingel, and Kane's able to get it out. Not sure where it had gone, but his teammates on it, and they're able to clear their zone. Now bouncing puck. Svechnikov right to the goal. And a save by Lankinen. Warren Foegele heads away. Here's Stahl. Stahl trying to get to the net. Centering pass. They score. Svechnikov set up by Stahl. And the Canes able to cash in.
On Zadorov. Yeah, it was a one-handed pass. And Svechnikov just wins the foot race. Hawks had 3 guys back. And Kampf. Svechnikov just got a step on Kampf.
Geekie able to bounce it out of there. Now a takeaway. They get it to the net. Good poke check by Lankinen. Able to deny the opportunity for Dzingel. She certainly wants her team to win, but there's a guy in white she's hoping has a good night. Here's a chance for Kubalik in on Hamilton, right to the goal. Good save by Reimer. Penalty coming up. Janmark dropped it. Beaudin shot it, and it's a good block now in front. Kurashev, that drive hit Fleury. Now Janmark centered it. Good stick. Reimer rebound. Hacked wide by Janmark. Back come the Canes. Svechnikov. Now Foegele dropped it back. Long shot is blocked in front to Hahn. Then a centering pass. Quick shot. They score. What a play. Jordan Stahl. A terrific setup. And Warren Foegele had half the net to look at. And the Canes double the lead.
Calvin DeHaan with a great chance at the other end. Doesn't get a shot on goal. Jordan Stahl has made 2 beautiful plays here in the first period. Suter got mesmerized by the puck there. He wasn't sure where his...
Here's Janmark going down. Suter back out. Beaudin walks. He gave it to Kubalik. Across. Center pass. Kurashev, what a play. Suter to Kurashev for a tap into a 6x4. Spectacular passing by the Blackhawks. And they cash on the man advantage.
A huge goal and an absolutely beautiful passing play. Beaudin to Kubalik to Suter. And Kurashev just puts his stick down. Strong bottom hand. The left hand. And all he's got to do is tap it in behind James Reimer. He went for a change. There was only 2 Canes out there, and Aho and Teravainen, but the Hawks did a nice job of keeping them in the outside. That's where the Hawks have to be better in their own zone.
A steal. Kane stepped it up. He scores! Patrick Kane off a Carolina turnover. Goes low to the stick side, and we are tied.
Number 5 on the season for Patrick Kane. Jacob Slavin with the turnover. Kane waits, and what we talked about earlier, partner to shoot on James Reimer.
Yeah.
Stick side.
In this case, sounds like it's going to be a lifelong relationship. Here's Niederreiter looking to make something happen with a stuff shot. A save by Lankinen. Rebound Shea. His pass deflecting. Stand with him.
That roulette wheel's getting a workout there, partner. Just kept going in and out there.
Here's a quick shot. Oh, point blank save. Lankinen. Wonderful opportunity to Dzingel. Lankinen beat him. Now they keep the heat on. Long shot. Fleury that missed. Foegele kept it alive. Back in comes Strome. He's got to bring it with him. Strome pulling up. Doesn't want to shoot it. Centered it. Quick shot. Good save. Rebound. A second save. Reimer. Oh, he beat DeBrincat on the second opportunity after denying Kubalik.
Just a second too slow by Ian Mitchell.
Here comes Kane. He's got a chance, and the backhand shot might have been off the stick of Shea, and maybe the headgear also, but what a pass, about a 100-foot pass from Duncan Keith. Now slowly into the zone, Patrick Kane looking for DeBrincat. He's got it. He shot it. Oh, and it just went over top of the net. Taken by Keith. Now the Canes come ahead. Svechnikov, what a rush, he shoots, and a save by Lankinen. Oh, the spectacular Svechnikov. That's Strome and Trocheck. Trocheck won it, Pesce shot it, and it never got through. Here's a drive by Nieder, a rebound. A fortunate bounce to Vinny Trocheck. A Niederreiter shot was blocked and went right to the centerman Trocheck, and it's 3-2 Hurricanes.
Well, the initial shot was blocked. I think it goes off of Connor Murphy. Yeah, right there. The shot from Niederreiter blocked. Trocheck.
Kurashev is in, but no help as Hamilton took him off the play. Now a long feed finding Aho. He tries to get in on Keith. One-hand shot and a save by Lankinen. Aho got it back. Puck went out of play, and Rod Brind'Amour was able to call a timeout, but still, 2 straight minutes of PK in OT. And a 4 against 3. Here's a centering pass. They score! Oh, Dylan Strome. Great setup from DeBrincat. And the Blackhawks have been able to tie it up.
What a beautiful passing play. A couple of the Carolina Hurricanes collided. Martinook and Shea. Kubalik goes below the goal line. There's the collision right there. One side of the ice. Pesce leaves. DeBrincat puts it right on the tip.
Oh, got it to Hamilton. Here's Trocheck carrying on with a wrist shot. Good glove save by Lankinen. Holding. Trocheck got it. Here's Necas dancing on Kane. Necas still with it. Rink wide. Oh, just jumped away from Pesce. Still trying a shot and a save. Lankinen rebound. Lankinen made a pad save and now will hold. So if Camp wins the draw, he will leave. If he doesn't win the draw, and that's what happens. So he wins it, he leaves, and out comes DeBrincat to join Kane and Keith. Dropped at a good read by Kane to steal the pass. Keith chipped it ahead. Here comes DeBrincat. He's got some space. Snap it off. In and out of the glove of Reimer, who decides to then play it. DeBrincat coming on a change was Kane with a pass tip. Nice stick from Shea. Broke up the play. Back comes Aho. Shoots one. Big save. Lankinen rebound. Cleared out of there, and that's going to send us to extra time. DeBrincat on Reimer. Weaving. And a good blocker save made by Reimer. Next up for the Blackhawks. Strome going wide. To the backhand. Reimer smothered it.
Somebody goes to the same move the next opportunity, Pat, and just keep carrying the puck all the way across. You're going to have a wide open net.
Andrei Svechnikov with a chance to win it for the Hurricanes. Weaves in. Svechnikov scores, and Carolina has picked up their 5th consecutive victory, and they are now 6-1 on the season.
Oh, Svechnikov goes to the stick side. And the reaction from Carolina's bench.